That's right, everyone. We're back at SeaWorld. We're here for more of the Craft Beer Festival. And also, this is the last weekend for Electric Ocean Remix. So, we're going to try to stay that late for the fireworks. So here we go. Okay, so again, the Craft Beer Festival is running on weekends until September 20th. So we were here a couple weeks ago and had tried a few of them, but I didn't get all of them. And I still got some punches left. Okay, tried it last time I was here. I definitely want to try it again. And that is the brisket slider. Look at it right here. So let's do this. Okay, one of the things I wanted to try, and by the way, the brisket was fantastic, like last time. One of the things I wanted to try, and didn't get to last time, was the chili fries. And they're located over by Captain Pete's Island Eats, which is over in the Key West area. So we're going to head on over there, because I'd like to try that. And try the other thing I didn't get around to trying last time, before I get full. And I'm going to go hit the fish and chips again. They were so good, and probably the wings again, because they were good as well. Okay, here we go. Okay, I decided that I would skip the waffle fries this time, because not waffle fries, the chili fries, sorry. So because it turns out it's just a normal, everyday menu item. So instead of wasting a punch on that, I decided I'm going to go and go back to the ones that I liked for last time I was here. Plus there's one other that here that I didn't try from last visit, so I'm going to try that. Plus revisit some of the things that I did try. Okay, I think I'm going to go and try get the chicken wings and the fish and chips. Okay, I know I didn't show the brisket, but here's the chicken wings and the fish and chips. Alright.
A few moments later.
Okay, that was delicious. Okay, the next thing I wanted to try right here is the Sam Adams short rib. Unfortunately, I think I might have already eaten too much. But again, this festival does continue for a couple more weekends, so I might come back either next weekend or the following weekend and hit it again. So there's still got a few cents left on my, few punches left on my lanyard. So I may actually come back, unless I come back later this evening. So maybe by then I'll be hungry. So I think right now I'm going to check and see how Infinity Falls is doing. So the line's going across the bridge. It's about at least a 30-minute wait or so. But I do have a year-long quick queue. So I think it's time to put it to use, seeing that today is part of a busy weekend. In fact, it's Labor Day weekend. It is kind of busy today, for the most part. I think everyone's at a show right now. Although I don't recall ever seeing this bridge. It's empty. Maybe everyone's somewhere else. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's currently a 45-minute wait. Okay, time to get a locker and get in line. In case you're wondering where the lockers are located, is Waterway Grill. Entrance of Infinity Falls is right there. Waterway Grill is right here. And it's just to the left.
A few moments later.
Okay, just got off of Infinity Falls. I'm a little bit wet, which is what I wanted. Also ducked inside the Passover Lounge for a few minutes. Alright.
Today's production, I have two items for you. Please keep your face coverings over your faces throughout the entire performance. And number two, please just remain seated at the end of today's production. And I will dismiss you along with members of our student council. All right, with that out of the way, and without further ado, I would now like to introduce to you our class president and valedictorian, Seamore! Clyde, there they are.
Neutron and Clyde reporting for duty.
Excuse me, you're almost late again. What's your excuse this time?
Oh, sorry, Principal Trimby. We were just back there making some awesome TikTok videos.
The only thing I know that goes TikTok is my watch. You two quit goofing around and dash off to gym class.
Yes, sir.
Chop, chop. All right, finally everything's in order, just the way I like to run my school. Uh-oh. Hold on, do you guys hear that noise? That's not right. Something's wrong. I'm not sure what it... Whoa! Oh no, look at that, there's a leak! The plumbing in the school really has gone down the drain. Thanks a lot. Alright, listen, don't worry about a thing. I think I can fix this myself right over here in the valve room. Let's see that how to do it. Nope. Try this one, right here. Oh boy. Well, I guess we'll try this one. Oh! Look at that! I did it! Bravo!
Warning.
Hooray for me!
Water dump is imminent.
Water dump?
Please clear the
Oh my, look at the time. I'm missing my Golden Girls reruns, and I really need to order some more toilet paper. You know, for the school, of course. Now get to class, young man. You need to study!
Thank you. Study, schmutty. I don't need to study for that stupid test. You might ask why? Because I stole the answers. That's right. Behold, the answers to the test. With this, I'll be able to graduate and finally leave this crummy school. I'm toast if I lose these, so I'm going to put them somewhere safe. Somewhere no one will be able to find them. Thank you.
Really? Not gonna make it? All right, listen, students, I've just been informed that the gym coach is caught in I-4 traffic. It's true. But don't worry, I'm gonna take over. I used to coach in my younger years. I'll have Seamore and Clyde come out. They'll do some high jumping, some fast swimming, and then end with swag. Let's start with Seamore. You're up first, and go! All right, Seamore. Good job. Catch that. Good job. All right, Seamore, now let's see that great big jump. Yes! Excellent work, Seamore. And now, gather all your strength. Swim! Okay, Seamore! Well done, young man. That was outstanding. Now, you'll follow me. Right this way. All right, this is the big finish, Seamore. This is it. Like that. And let's see the big finish. Okay, good job, Seamore. That was amazing. Seamore, as usual, outstanding work. Oh, and now it's Neutron and Clyde's turn.
Hi! All right, buddy. Seymour has some mad skills. So, it's our turn. Ready? Dive, swim, swag, and go! Ta-da! Good job! All right, buddy. That wasn't too impressive. But, you know what you can do? You're a sea lion, so you can impress everybody by showing just how fast you can go back this way. There you go. And get ready to swim! Here he goes! Faster than speeding.
Embarrassing.
Okay. It's all right, Principal Twinkie.
Oh.
Because we're saved by the bell! Thanks so much. All right, Clyde, I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. Let's go get some lunch!
Attention, students. The cafeteria is now open. On the lunch ladies menu today, some kind of fish, who knows? Neutron, enjoy your meal.
Thanks, Principal Twinkie. Can't wait to see what we're having. Holy mackerel!
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Clyde, I'm so glad that you're here. Okay, now, as you know, lunch is my favorite part of the day. So, it looks like we're really having sushi. All right. Now, I'm going to divide it out even, Steven, fair and square. Don't touch a thing till all this is divided out, all right? Now, one for me, one for you.
let's do an examination. Ooh, we'll have you read this eye chart. See if you can read just the first letter right there up on top. Go ahead. He got it! Good job, buddy. That was really good. All right, listen. Let's see. What are we going to do next here? Oh, I know. We'll take your temperature. Seems to be pretty popular these days.
Yeah.
All the kids are doing it. All right, Clyde, go ahead and open wide.
Don't.
Clyde, that is gross. No, I do not get paid enough for this. Clyde, come with me. I have a plan for you. I need you to go get ready for that big test. All I need you for is to give you this tiny little shot. Get going, Clyde. It's almost time. In fact, all students, sharpen your number 2 pencils and prepare to report to the auditorium.
All right, you guys heard Principal Twimby. It's time for the big test. I'm gonna ace it, and I didn't even study. That's right, I stole the answers and I hid them right over here. Wait a minute, where are my answers? Oh man, I forgot where I put them. All right, don't panic. I'll remember when I retrace my steps. I woke up this morning, I forgot to brush my teeth, but I did wash my hands for 20 seconds.
What a cheater.
That's what my mom told me to do. And then I told you all about my plan when I came to school, and I hid them right here. I remember. Oh no! My answer's there! No, they've been stolen. I gotta go find them.
I can't believe it! Blair stole the answers to the test! This is terrible! I need to get the answers, but I need to do it before Blair realizes that
Has
I...
anybody seen that nerd Neutron? I bet you she stole my answers.
Oh no! I gotta hide!
Neutron! Oh, best friend! Neutron! Hey, have you guys seen Neutron? No? Really? I don't think I could trust any one of you guys. Oh, you, sir, with the red shorts. Yeah, stand up, please. Thank you very much. Now help me out. Where's Neutron?
It's just me, John Doe, like my shirt says.
Are you feeling okay?
Turn around and face my adoring fans.
14th year. As for everybody else, let's have a party! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
And look at the chicken.
One eternity later.
Everyone, here we go. Get ready and turn your attention to the stars because it's time to light up the sky. with us tonight for Light Up the Sky. We hope you had an amazing time.